Welcome back. Today I would like to explain EJS. It is a node module that is used to create server-side rendering pages. I have used it also in my tutorial where I create a server manager. Okay, what is EJS? EJS is a module that helps you to create pages that can render information with JavaScript. That means we can write JavaScript inside a HTML-like page, and then it can be rendered the HTML side with the values that we give the renderer. Here you can see how to install, and here example how you can use it. I will use it in a Node.js backend. I have made a small setup with a Express module. The Express module is a very oft used module to create a HTTP server. That means with Express we can tell the backend what it should do if someone will access in this example the /have. Okay, I will first install the Express. The second line is only used to create the server itself. In the fourth line we set the engine, that means the view renderer engine, to EJS, that I will install also. And that's it. I will only use these two modules because it's easier to explain what a module do if we only use this module, and in this example the Express module also. Okay, the first thing we have to do is to create a views directory. That's the default directory to create a EJS rendered page. Here I will create index EJS. Okay, I will set a default header from HTML. Here, for example, first page. So I will also create a directory JS, make it simple, and CSS. I don't know if I need it, but I think CSS we need. Then, sorry, I can't remember how I can include this. That's the reason why I have this in my clipboard. I only will set this for CSS because of JS is not really needed for EJS. Okay, I'll create a simple page. Okay, I will first set up the path, that then we can directly see what the Node.js server do. Okay, to do this we have to say the response that it should render a page. Now we can tell which page we will render, in our example the index, and optional we can pass information to this. At the beginning I will not pass everything, I will only tell and show you that it already works. Oh, sorry for that. I forgot that for that we need also the path. Sorry for that. I will install it quickly. So I will make a small cut and search for the right path module. Okay, I only forgotten that we have to set the path to const, and then everything works fine. Okay, now we have a server that runs on the port 3000. We will look shortly what happens, and we get a HTML page with first page in the title that we have defined in the index EJS. Okay, now we can start with the things that you can do with EJS. I'll start with a thing that we can do very fast. For example, page infos. So the important thing is we can do some different things. If you write the smaller percent equals, then you can tell the renderer that it should show what inside the variable page infos. If you only write smaller percent, then you can do things like if or loops. And everything that is inside this part you don't see. Everything that is marked with this markers is only used for rendering the page. You'll see it later. Okay, now we have information that we would like to render that comes from the backend. And now we can send the renderer an object. I have decided to use a variable that is only a string. That means we can tell, okay, this is my content, for example. Now if we render, we get an error because of page infos. It's a mistake. It's not defined. Oh, sorry, I forgot to restart the backend. Okay, I will make it easier for us. You can use NodeMon. That is a client that automatically restart a server if we make some changes. If we now reload, we get the string that we have passed from the backend. Okay, we will see us in the next part